This is Ratchet Girl Anthem. OMG, what do she have on? She ratchet? And her lace front is all wrong. You want to take me my phone? I'm about to take a picture of this telephone. Put this girl on Twitter. I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown. If I'm not with the shoes on, ooh, I just want to punch her in her face. Yes, damn. Oh, she's too fake. Girl, let me tell you what I got my Mr. A baby boy. It came with a sister. Girl, yes, I'm pregnant, but I still hit the club in the middle of the fall. No shit, what's up? Today, apple bottom jeans for a boost today. Had to keep it looking good from baby dad just made bail. Today, then baby need shoes today. Child wearing check 2 today. Check 2 today. Jersey is glue today. Got beef it up. Mo tramp. It's a 15. I got my food stamp. A brand new piercing. Brand new tap. $5 plus tax. But this ain't over when I'm smacking thong. No real hills. This kangaroo. Thinking that you're better than I am. Then you think you're wrong. She's lied. My number, boy, bye. What is wrong with you? Oh, shh, quiet. Hey, girl, you looking good. Turn around. Let me see who did your suit. And okay, girl. We're gonna talk to you later. OMG, what do she have on? Her face front is all wrong. I'm gonna take this her for a picture. And I'm about to put this girl on Twitter. I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown. Well, these shoes on. What's your in her face? And seeing her. Ooh, she's too fake. It's been a bit luck over time to call me Carrie. Clubbing for 11 pregame when we party. Yes, I am the baddie, but you can't have boo-boo, sorry. Cause you just is my future baby daddy. Mari. Got my jersey dress on. Jordan here's my press on. Pouncing to dark skin. We don't like them red balls. Just little pictures. Do it, we got good. Hit me up on Facebook and follow me on Twitter. I'm with Flip Phone. Team Chris Brown. Shut it up. Then this team shut it down. Bringing bad chick. Team with your man. And he got a lot of money. Then this team he paid them. Spell up on me. You ain't looking like nothing. You ain't looking like nothing. What you gonna do? Wait. Please. Oh, girl. Oh my God. OMG, what do she have on? Her front is all wrong.